saves
off
me
that.
when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you one more time.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be giving you guys a boat tour, and today is our day 4. So let's start with the bedroom at the front. This one here is the bedroom at the front. Got the hatch at the top. Have a fan here. This room here is the toilet with the shower. And we got another hatch on the top. The main bedroom. And the radio area. And we can play music through here. Have the sitting area. The kitchen. And we have our fridge. So you can store food in here. The stove. One bedroom here and another bedroom on this side. And we also have the bathroom. This one's a little bigger than the front one. On day 4, we sail across from Stonehaven to Sandy Bay and moor there for the night. There are a lot of fish here in Sandy Bay, but most of them are too small to keep. There is also a walk you can do here, which I would highly recommend to anyone staying overnight. It is about 8 kilometers return, but the view is breathtaking and you can see 360 degrees of the Whitsunday from the lookout. We didn't have enough time to do the walk this trip, but here is what you can expect. Is this sweet lips? What's this one?
I think that's a keeper.
What's this one?
That is a keeper.
That's a keeper. Yum. The bait's going everywhere.
That is different.
Last time you had a long nose sweetness.
And this one.
Mangrove Jack. So what's a mangrove?
It's easy.
Extra.
Here. What is it?
How much? 28, can't keep.
What? Come on, buddy.
We also spotted a turtle while we were there. Oh, he came up so many times. I got him on camera.
That's what they do. He came up like 7 times right there, closer to the boat. Now he's not.
Today is day 5 of our sailing trip, and it's been raining since last night. We're still at Southmore Island. I was planning to go for a walk, but that's not happening now, and the weather is not looking too good. It's gonna be raining whole day, but what we have done is collect some rainwater for drinking. So we're running out of water. Today is our 6th day. 6 days on the boat. You're eating fruit. We have some fruit platters going on. We are now heading back to Stonehaven and planning to stay there overnight. Straight ahead. We're going for a waterfall. Look down, waterfall. Go! Oh man! Little ones everywhere. Like even water running off there too, but not quite a waterfall. So we can't go any closer. This is it. Then
A few moments later.
that looks nice though.
Shit, you got that.
Nice decent fish.
Check out
Yeah.
that fish.
Check out what
that
fish.
looks
Jam.
like
Get the book.
a trevally, yeah. It's got the-
book. Get a book.
Quickly, James.
Ah.
Nice. Ladder's sort of a bit.
This was our last morning of the trip. We decided to take a dinghy down to the beach and have a look around for some more waterfalls. Here is what we found on the way. Thank you everyone who was part of the journey. Throughout the last 5 years of sailing, I have learned many things from it. One of the main things being living off the main basic needs. That includes using water wisely, catching our own food, and most importantly, that we don't need internet or phone in our everyday life. That was not really unnecessary for fancy technology or fancy clothes. Sailing allows you to connect back to the nature and spend quality time with family and friends.